What's up, fam? Today we're gonna be actually working on the MIATA. We're gonna be trying to actually take the car to get the downpipe made, and we're gonna but we're gonna paint the valve cover. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna take off the old valve cover. We don't need it no more. Actually, we do need it, but we need new paint. That's what we need. Alright guys, so earlier I went ahead and you guys saw me take off the valve cover, which is right here. I went ahead and sanded down, primered it, and let me see if I could throw this in there, but I threw a decal right there that says turbo. So I can't paint it I'm gonna paint it right now, but I can't paint it and show you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint a two-tone color, throw some glitter, and then a clear coat, take off the decal, and then throw a clear over. So that's technically what I'm doing right now. Tomorrow in the morning I will show you guys the after, how it looks. And so all I did was buy some paint stripper, take off all the paint, wiped it down with some rubbing alcohol, and now I'm gonna lay some paint on it. I'm gonna do a two-tone color. You guys will see the aftermath tomorrow, but I went ahead and painted it, gave it 20 minutes, hit it with the heat gun, and then now I'm gonna do it again. Alright fam, so you guys are about to see the new valve cover. Yup, that's it, new valve cover, man. This thing's looking flossing. Alright, so as you guys can see, I showed you guys the valve cover and it's looking pretty clean. But oh yeah, I also put the turbo thing on there. I don't know what you guys think about that, but it did put like a little decal, and then right before I cleared it, you guys can even see the gloss on the reflection of the turbo. Before I took off the little turbo decal, I had already had the primer and the two coats. After the two coats, I changed, I took it off, and then I threw my clear coat, so it's actually pretty smooth on there. I did these at last too. I sanded them down from the top, and then I also threw clear coat over it because then I don't want it to get like matte. So yeah, that's gonna stay pretty shiny. There is like little small, I can't even see if I can make it focus, but right here, like you guys can see a little outline of like, I don't want to grind down too far because then letters aren't gonna stick up. But after all, it did come out pretty clean, and you guys are about to watch me change my whole engine bay color. And boom. So you guys can see I kind of cleaned up some stuff, deleted the the power steering pump, painted this part, cleaned up a little bit, took off little brackets and stuff that wasn't needed. Today's the day we're gonna go take the MIATA to go get the downpipe, but my cousin's asleep in the truck. I'm about to wake his ass up. Alright fam, so right now we're running the MIATA. Hopefully it doesn't turn off. Oh no, it didn't turn off. So Right now we're going to the exhaust shop, and we're not taking the freeways because this shit is super loud. Alright fam, so earlier we went to the exhaust shop. I actually got my downpipe made. So you know, the car's been kind of parked over there in that little corner for the longest now. It's kind of windy, so don't mind the wind noise. So this is like my build right here, kind of like what I was looking for, what I always liked. It's a little dirty right now, and this is it. So we got a painted valve cover. I threw a little intake in the front, threw a little bunge right there, connected straight to the manifold. I did hear that your best bet is to run a hose from that intake. Due to that, it's also like there's no boost building up there, so that's another like great thing from there. So I went to an exhaust shop, and they are pretty cool people. I've been going there for actually all my exhaust issues or whatever I got to do. So I went ahead and got my downpipe made. So that's pretty much it. You know, that's my downpipe. He kind of hooked it up. I think it's a 2.75. So at first when I bought it, it's a 2.5, and then I think he moved it up to a 2.75, and they did an amazing job because it does not rub at all. Like, it's perfect. And they have like pretty great welds, no leaks at whatsoever, so they're pretty good. I always like going there. I always had no problems. And yeah, so what I ended up doing is I made my own downpipe, kind of similar like this, but I didn't have a V-band or nothing. I just like connected a 2.5 and fucking straight welded everything just to drive there, because towing is expensive. So I did end up driving it there with the downpipe. Was freaking loud as hell, which was on the last little skit when I was driving it there. Sadly, I didn't get no footage. Reason I didn't get no footage is I don't you know, they don't give me permission to, you know, shoot some footage there. I'm not gonna start recording. The car sounds amazing. I have no problems. Now I'm just waiting to go to the tuner, which is gonna be about a week or so from when I post this video. So I'm close to going to get tuned. You know, I just gotta save up a little bit more. I've been saving up for it already. So yeah. Also guys, don't forget to purchase stickers on the description below. You get a whole packet of decals, and all that is just to support my build. That's pretty much it, nothing much more to it. But I drove it all the way from the exhaust shop here, and it drove fine. No problems, no leaking, none of that. I was building boost. I did use auto tune to keep it rich, so I won't lean out and, you know, blow my motor. I did not hop on the freeway, so yeah. Actually found a way how to clean the work wheels as well, from that little crease right there. We went to like a detail store again, and I ended up having to buy one of these. These go straight into the edges, and this it's called 3D wheel bright, so that works amazing. I haven't cleaned the front one, so I could show you guys what I mean. So like, where is it at? Right there. Like right there, it's kind of black. And we go to the other side, it's gone. Nice and clean. So it's a big difference. Also guys, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And yeah, before I go, you know what? Let me see if I could turn on the car for you guys. It has trouble starting up, but I think that's due to the tune. My tuner did say that he's gonna go ahead and help me out when I get over there. So let's see. Well, it actually worked, and it's running. Let's see. Oh, and it doesn't shut off. Perfect. So it is boosting, but I don't want to go ahead and floor it. I do have it running rich. So like I said, guys, please subscribe, like this video, stay tuned for the next video when I head straight to the tuner so we can start ripping it, driving around a little bit faster, going to the canyons. Stay tuned, and don't forget to buy some merch. Peace.